a Hellcat.
Hi everyone and welcome to Saving with Jessica. Today is Sunday, December 13th, 2020, and I'm going to do a quick update on my Make It Rain Savings Challenge. We are currently on week 14 of the Savings Challenge. With this Savings Challenge, we are saving $10 per week. At the end of the Savings Challenge, we'll have saved $520. So here is my $10 bill for this week. I will put it on my board. And I will check off my savings sheet. So now I have a grand total of $140 by only saving $10 per week. If you guys are doing the savings challenge with me, let me know if you made your deposit. If you guys like this video, please press like, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you're notified every time I post a new video. If you guys are interested in doing the savings challenge with me, this savings sheet is up on my Etsy shop. I will leave that link in the comments box down below. Well, actually, it'll be down in the description below. Sorry about that. And that is it for today. I will see you guys when I have my next update for the Make It Rain Savings Challenge. Have a great day. Bye.
Feel me like a Hellcat.